Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another flourishing tutorial. So in this tutorial you're going to be learning a really nice and beginner flourish that I think I made up myself. So it has two packets moving around at the same time, which makes it flashy, but at the same time it's easy to do, and that's what I like about this flourish. So you're going to be learning that right now, and let's get started. So first of all, there are two prerequisites that you have to learn in order to do this flourish. So the first prerequisite is a Z grip, and the second is the scissor cut. So if you know both of those, then you can learn this flourish, and if you don't, then please search on YouTube and learn those, and then you're gonna get started. So first of all, you're gonna hold the cards in style grip that looks something like this. Alright, so now once you are here in the style grip, you're gonna be dividing the packet into three parts in a Z formation. So you come over here, here, and you are now in the Z formation, like that. Okay, so come over here, and then you take the top packet and divide it into two halves with your index finger, just like that. Okay, so now at this point, you're gonna be taking your thumb right over here, and you're gonna be placing it at the back edge of these cards, and then you swivel both of these packets, the top and the bottom one, together. So now you are in this really cool formation, 4-packet formation, right over here. Alright, so now once you are here, you're gonna be taking the top packet, you're gonna twisting it around like that, so that now this packet is face up and your index finger and your middle finger are almost going to stick to each other. And then you sort of pinch this packet right over here. So now you are right over here. So don't worry, I'm gonna go over this one last time. So you come over, go into the Z grip, and then divide into two halves, modified Z formation. Then you swivel this packet, then you sort of like twist this packet, and you're gonna come over here and pinch it like that. So now you are over here, and in the other hand you are in the perfect formation to do a scissor cut, and you can just slowly take this packet and do a scissor cut like that. And then with this packet, all you can do here is just throw this packet right over here, and then just take this packet, slip it on top. Or you can just take this packet, extend this packet, slip it on the bottom like that, and it looks really cool like that. Alright guys, so that's the end of the video, and if you have any problems with this flourish, then please put that down in the comments below, and I will be there to help you out. And basically that's the end, and I will see you guys on my next video. So please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'm so close to 150 subscribers, and once I reach that milestone, I have a really good video lined up for you guys. So please stick around for that, and goodbye.